Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we're diving into a must-have item that's making waves in the world of DIY dental care: thermoplastic beads for teeth repair. This product is quickly becoming known as the best teeth gap jewelry, offering a quick and realistic solution to repairing chipped, cracked, or missing teeth. Whether you're dealing with an emergency or simply want a temporary fix, these moldable thermal beads are your answer. So, what exactly are thermoplastic beads? These are small, moldable plastic pellets that become soft and pliable when heated, allowing you to shape them into the form of a tooth filling. Once they cool, they harden into a solid, durable form that mimics the look and feel of a real tooth. It's the perfect solution for those needing a quick fix for a broken tooth before seeing a professional, or even for use in cosplay or special effects makeup. To use these beads, all you need is hot water. Simply drop the thermoplastic beads into the water. Let them soften for a few seconds, and then mold them directly to the area that needs repair. The best part? They're reusable. If you don't get the perfect fit the first time, just reheat the beads, reshape, and reuse them until you're satisfied with the result. Each pack comes with 20 grams of beads, which is more than enough for a few repairs. And while this is not intended to replace professional dental work, it's a great temporary solution that can restore your smile until you can see a dentist. The beads are designed to be both realistic and durable, giving you a functional and natural-looking result that can withstand the day-to-day activities like eating and drinking. These beads are not just for emergency dental care. Many people use them for cosmetic purposes too, to improve the appearance of gaps between teeth or to fill in chips. This makes it an ideal product for anyone looking to enhance their smile without the need for expensive procedures. The thermoplastic beads are also incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Whether you're dealing with a cracked tooth or simply want to add a little sparkle to your smile, you can do it yourself, all from the comfort of your home. The result is a natural, comfortable repair that lasts for a significant amount of time. Plus, it's affordable, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to save a bit of money while still getting a professional-looking outcome. For those looking for a temporary solution or a simple DIY project, these beads are a perfect choice. They offer both a practical and affordable way to take care of minor dental issues at home. Plus, with their realistic and durable finish, they're ideal for everything from quick repairs to creative uses like cosplay. So, if you're in need of an emergency fix or just want a fun way to enhance your smile, these thermoplastic beads for teeth repair are a must-try. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products.